All right, so here's the new rear rotor. They come packaged with some kind of a grease on them, a pre-packing grease, probably to prevent rust. But before you put it on, you gotta spray it down with some brake clean. So I'm usually pretty liberal with spraying these down. I'm not gonna cheap out on getting these clean before I put them on, get that grease off so they don't gunk up my pads. Make sure you're well ventilated, because if you spray this long enough, you're probably gonna get high with this chemicals. Finish this can out for this rotor, hopefully. Luckily, I got more on standby. Get a little bit on this corner. All right, that's a good one. Now let's try to put it on. All right, it's gonna be hard with one hand, but I'll see if I can try to put this up on there. It can't be. All right, so clearly it's gonna go on, but the e-brake's still in the way. But before I do that, as you can see, behind the rotor, how close the shield is, and it's not even pushed all the way in. So once I can get the e-brake fitment right and I can slide it back, I'll show you how tight when the shield's going to hit the rotor, and then we're going to have to hammer it back. Just for reference too, the e-brake, I guess slide or whatever you want to call it, to tighten and loosen it is like in the 6 o'clock position. So you can reach it by hand right underneath with this, with your hand, a flathead or whatever. But I got luck doing it by finger, so I'm just going to do it this way for now.